Best LED aquarium light review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular fish tank lighting in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll also share with you some of the features of what makes this LED lighting so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to set this aquarium lighting up and use it for your fish tank. The one that made our list is the Haiger Full Spectrum Aquarium Light. Now this 12 volts 14 watt lighting has more than 5,000 large LEDs and is ideal for aquarium between 18 inches to 24 inches wide. It supports low to mid light level plant growth and is meant for a freshwater aquarium. The set comes with 2 metal and 2 plastic extendable mounting brackets. It's really easy to install and works on most aquarium tanks with or without covers or rims. There are 3 color modes you can choose from, which are white, blue, white and red and blue, and you can choose them from your remote control. There are also 5 levels of brightness you can choose from, which range between 10 to 100%, and it also comes with a timer for you to set how long you want the lights to stay on. The entire body is an aluminum alloy metal shell, which is great for fast heat dissipation. To check out the full specs of the Haiger Full Spectrum Aquarium Light and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/fishtanklights. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to set up this lighting. So there you have it, the Haiger Full Spectrum Aquarium Light. Considering the quality of the set, the multiple lighting options to choose from, and how easy it is to use, we feel that this fish tank lighting is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Haiger Full Spectrum Aquarium Light and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/fishtanklights. Alright, thank you for watching.